Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2002 Honda VFR800 Interceptor. Beautiful red paint scheme. This bike has been just serviced. Got brand new tires, new chain. VFR V4, liquid cooled, fuel injected, single-sided swing arm. It's got a center stand. It sounds awesome. This was like the quintessential sport touring bike. 49,000 miles, barely broken in. Come by, check it out. Price to sell, just $38.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Brand new battery. Runs perfectly. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.